Hey, did you know that Inriver have AI built into the PIM that help teams to automatically refine existing product text directly inside their workflows? We call it the Enhance Agent. Let me show you how it works. Inside this workflow, users can choose from built-in enhancement options like improving writing, fixing spelling and grammar, simplifying text, or creating fully custom instructions tailored to the task. Here, we're enhancing a marketing description for a direct-to-consumer audience, rewriting the content to remove technical jargon, emphasize customer benefits, and create clearer, more engaging copy. The AI updates the selected fields in seconds, helping teams scale content improvements without starting from scratch and without even needing to leave the workflow view. If you wish to see the specific update, you find that in the enrich view for the product, where you have the original marketing description on the left side, and on the right, you find the D2C description produced by the Enhance agent for this purpose. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on this Enhance agent living inside our workflows, or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.